This is my Philips trimmer. I will show you how to dismantle this product. First, remove this ash color design, and second is to slide just to up. This is a battery. By replace this battery, it is easy to work. Actually, in my trimmer, it is very discharging rate is very fast, charging rate is very slow. That's why I am remove this battery and replace that one. It is a rotating switch. When it rotates clockwise, it is on. When it is anti-clockwise, off. When I am open this trimmer, it is broken. That is a no problem. And it is the same. It is off position. It is straight. It is in off position. It is straight. Slide down. Slides toward the downward. And again fix this the frame. It is locked between frame and outer frame and inner frame. This is called inner frame, this is called outer frame. It is the connecting between the inner and outer frames. Thank you.